Found another honey shop. Honey is apparently a big business here, and the owner is so friendly and gives us something to sample, and it comes straight from the comb. So we have the honeycomb here, which we're going to sample in a second, and maybe we can also see the bees and bring home some honey.
It's your bees?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are they here in the park?
Yeah, I will show you, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Oh, look at it.
Yeah, it's nice.
Very sweet, very nice. Earthy flavor. So Sam, the owner, is nice enough to show us his beehives. Let's have a look.
One of the beehive is there.
Oh yeah.
That you can see.
Oh, yeah.
You first go here and then
And then corner.
come back.
Wow, beautiful. Oh,
Another one is
really a flower.
Ah,
Very nice.
it's like a permaculture. You see, see one of the trees.
It is a permaculture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And all inside there, all beehive.
Yeah. Look.
You have a really beautiful backyard, right next to the main street.
This is our observation house. Want people to know how bees make honey
Yeah.
by looking at the beehive glass.
Ah, yeah.
You can see directly how bees make honey. Yeah. Look, you see.
Oh yeah, you have a
Window.
Yeah, the window is at the back.
Wow. Oh yeah. Cool. This is very nice.
Good, yeah.
Yeah, nice.
You see the entrance on top.
Oh yeah, there the bees can go.
That's the entrance there on top.
Huh.
Yeah.
And then we have those catcher boxes up there
Oh yeah.
to hunt the lost bees.
Oh,
When you
yeah.
harvest, you have lost bees rounding all everywhere, so they can smell what we have done there, because that's the secret of hunting bees.
Do you put the
Yeah.
queen in?
When they smell, they have to be
Go there.
for getting there. Lost
Very
bees can just
important.
go inside there, and then in 3 weeks, 1 month, when we know that there's colonies, then we get it down, transfer it to a big hive. Then you have your
Then you have a new hive.
lot.
Yeah.
This is how we do
Okay.
it.
Cool.
Keep that.
It's beautiful.
That they said
Beekeeping.
beekeeping. Beekeeping, you keep your bees, don't let your bees go. See, all these hives are full of bees.
Oh, I can see them. There's many hives
You see?
everywhere here. In the jungle. These are jungle bees.
So many.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Everyone's coming.
Cool. Oh, and there's so many more there.
Yeah.
Everything
You
full.
can drop it.
How nice of him to just show us everything here. And the honey, I'm still tasting it. It's delicious. A honey hunter's paradise here, Gambia. Maybe I make this my profession. Go hunt for exotic honey, because I do like honey. And just check out the, little paradise here. Beautiful shading trees. Barrels. Honey? I guess that's honey barrels. Yeah. It's labeled also, like here
29 kilograms.
28 kilo, 29 kilos, and this is probably the harvest number.
Yeah.
So they have lots of hives, so they can do lots of So these are the beehives. They're looking different than in Europe. They're kind of
Yeah.
trough shaped. This is the entrance, and it's a simple wooden box. So are they doing frames? Yes, I think this is the internal frames where you then attach.
Hi.
Do you have frames for each comb? So this is a beehive, yeah?
Yes, this is beehive.
Yeah. Is it completely empty inside and everything is built by the bees, or do you provide like some wooden structure where they can start?
This top bars. This top bars.
You just have them on the
is
top.
containing honey wax here.
Yeah, and there they start building.
This wax
Yeah.
is if it is newly wax melted and you pour it here,
Yeah.
it gives the sense like honey.
Ah, yeah.
So the bees can smell it and easily get inside your hive.
Ah, yeah.
We
Yeah.
place it like that.
Yeah, and that's
All
it.
of
Just
them
these.
does like. The entrance is here.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
the bees can enter here and then we'll build their comb through here.
Yeah.
Good. And then after, make that metal frame with your cover. For example, like to keep your hive cool and protect it when it's rainy.
Yeah. Which is the best bee season? Is the rainy season or the dry season better for the bees?
For the bees?
Yeah.
Well, for the bees, because they enjoy every season, but we did start harvesting during the dry season.
Yeah.
Maybe March, April, May.
Yeah.
June, then we start.
Okay. So you
Rainy
harvest
season,
like once a year?
once a year, yeah.
Once a year. Yeah. Okay.
Once a year.
And then they have a year time to kind of rebuild.
Yeah.
Cool.
Some of them are very fast. When the bees are working hard, you can harvest one hive for 2 times.
So many hives.
Yeah.
It's just dotted.
Process?
Not sure how well you can see it. It's just
Yeah, we do.
1, 2,
process,
3,
but
4,
we-
5, 6,
we
7.
Hang it and you wait.
Amazing.
Well, we do our own method.
Here.
Yeah.
Everything. 20, 30 beehives.
If we train you, we have to come and train you how you can keep bees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe in the future I could imagine keeping bees. I think it's very nice very nice profession.
Yeah.
It's important for the trees and the flowers.
So,
Bees.
yeah, that is
Yeah.
why inside we have
Yeah.
lots of park is very wide, have different kind of things. You see all these are flowering now. So these are happy people. Get their nectar everywhere.
Yeah. And the trees are happy to have
You
bees.
know, there's no full
Good.
sunlight. It's just like, half and half. This is very nice.
I love it.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Yeah, beautiful.
Oh wow, yeah, I need to get some of your honey. It was super delicious. I'll take some for sure. Absolutely. All right,
Nice.
so let's get some honey.
Delicious to keep bees.
Yeah. Okay, we take 3 bottles.
Great, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you have a little change?
I have.
Nah?
Sailors, yes.
Rest is for the bees.
You?
I wish you enjoyed the best. Have a good day, all of you.
Yeah, you too.
For the bees.
All right, son.
So this is mine. I'll keep it out away from the shades.
Very good. Keep it for the bee. Perfect. All right. Thanks a lot. It was very friendly.
Nice to meet you.
Yes. Thanks for showing us the bees.
Hi, boss lady.
Have a good time.
And you too.
Maybe see you again.
Thanks.
We'll come back
Okay,
for more honey.
good.
Tell everybody at home how good honey is.
Yeah.
They will love it. Bye.
Okay.
I love me a little honey excursion. That was great.
Nice.